Hi everyone and welcome to my place. It's nearly Easter and I want to do a still life static display that's going to sit at my front door so that when people come in they'll go, oh wow, that's really lovely. Now I know that when I purchased this beautiful vintage dome a number of years ago that it was a little bit expensive, but I did like it and I did want it, and it has come in very handy for many of my little displays that I have done here. Now if you don't have one of these, even a glass dome that you would use for covering a cake would do. You're just going to have to just be wary of how much you put onto it to make sure that it's, you know, it fits within the confines of the dome itself. Now I'll just quietly and carefully put that to one side. Everybody in my house walks around this with kid gloves because they know that if anything happened to it, I'd be very, very upset. Now for the base, this wooden base came with it, but if you were using a cake plate, or a foot, a foot of cake plate could work equally as well, but with this here I just want to now cover that with a little bit of this artificial grass. You can buy them in sheets from the crafts store. So I've just measured, what I basically did was laid it out and then put the dome on top of it and then just sort of cut a pattern around it, measured it and then cut it. Sort of, it's near enough is good enough because it is grass after all and you don't see perfect grass. So I wanted that on the top of that. I've also got this beautiful little bunny. I just absolutely love this and I've had it for a number of years and it just keeps going and going and going. I put it away and then bring it out, so it's perfect. And I just thought that that little bunny on top of that grass would be a really lovely interplay of form and texture. Okay, I've also got just some simple little artificial daisies here and I'm going to put that at the back. Now I could glue it onto there, but what I thought I would do is, so that I don't ruin things, is I'm just going to use a little bit of wire here and I'm just going to wire to support the daisy on the top. Now, before I go any further, make sure that you do measure to make sure that when you do have it finished, that everything's going to fit within the confines of the dome. And I'll just wind that around there like so, because we need it to be quite firm. And then I'll just twist those bits off. It's very fiddly in here, let me just tell you. And I might, hopefully that will sit. Yes, no, yes it does. Perfect. So that's going to sit up there and I have fingers crossed that it's going to fit. I've also got a lovely little bird's nest here and I've got some lovely chocolate eggs which I'm just going to put into that nest. I wanted it quite simple. I was thinking I would put in a little bit of this wax flower, but I think that just keeping it simple with the bunny, with the little daisies and the little nest would be fine. I'll just open this and put some more of these into here. If you're going to do it, I say do it. And this is going to be my colour. These little eggs into here, a few more into there, and then I'm just going to just put a few around the edges or on the base of my dome here. I'll put a few more of those. Oh, I could eat these. These are so delicious. A few more of those around there. And this would be great still life for the kids to look at too. Easy, easy, easy designing, everyone. I just love it. I've also got these little rabbits here that I could put in too if I wanted to. Have I got room for those? A little friend? No, I don't think we need those. I just think I'll keep it as simple as I can. Now is when we have to have that moment of, will it fit? Whoa. Yes, I know it fits because I did a wee trial before you got here to make sure that everything was fitting. How's that? Simple, 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 easy designing for Easter, and I just know that all the little kids that come to my house for lunch are going to absolutely love this. Happy Easter everyone, and I'll see you again another day.